Hi you guys, I am going to just tell you that I am not doing a sit-down Dollar Tree haul this week. I'm just going to go through my Dollar Tree walkthrough with some new fall items as well as some Halloween items. And today is no makeup for me, so sorry if I don't look that great, but I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna be real today. So let's go ahead and jump into that walkthrough, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I just got here and they have this fall stuff, and I love these pumpkins. The acorns are back from last year. I picked up these fox because I thought they were so cute, so I had to actually get one. Sorry about the noise, there's some kids outside and I'm trying to do a voiceover. And then the fall flora was just beautiful, you guys. They seem to up their game every fall with more beautiful full pieces. I just absolutely love it. Then I saw all of these signs and I wanted to show you guys this one because it has a little suction cup on it and it's brand new this year. But I had a lot of trouble getting these out from underneath because they kept sticking together and a lot of them were bent. So you see the suction cup there. I probably would not pick these up just because I feel like they're very hard to store for the following year unless you were just going to throw them away. But I just kind of felt like, yeah, I don't really want to pick these up. And trying to put them back, that was really hard. But I wanted to show you a few different ones. The truck was actually really cute. They did have some new signs and they're using black a lot in their color combinations. I didn't see too many new signs. These ones over here, the acorns, those ones are new. Probably not going to pick those up either. And this one here with the truck on it that says welcome, that one is a new color combination and they had 3 different ones. That one was broken and just fell right off, so I just had to set that down. But those are cute. They had some Halloween decorations. Those are fall up there. I put them next to Halloween, but they had these ceramic tea light holders. I believe they had them last year. These little LED boxes are really cute. Every time I touched one, it fell over. But I was trying to show you, they had a skull and then a different kind of skull plus the ghost, and these candles with the little charms on them in the purple, the orange, and the green, as well as these little lanterns. And here's some more fall. These are new, and the blue color is brand new this year. They are doing a lot of that kind of peacock blue. Those are from last year. These are new. Love these leaves. They have monograms on them. There's some more tabletop plaques, and then these new little stacked books are very cute, very small if you're looking from the top, but still cute. And then those are from last year. I believe they did these last year as well, and they have some new Halloween cards. They do not have the homemade ones yet, but they do have this collection here. So I have a new basket hack that's for hiding your cords underneath a desk or whatever you want to hide it underneath. Grabbed this from Dollar Tree and I traced it to cut out a piece of it, and then I also cut out a piece of the wallpaper and I traced that onto the cardboard, or that, I'm sorry, the cardboard I used to trace onto there, and I went ahead and I cut that out, added it to that piece of cardboard. I then added this to the top of that basket so that I could hide it right underneath this little bureau, and it hid perfectly fine. I love the way it turned out. I even made another one so that I could use it on under my desk. So it's a great hack, you guys, and I hope you'll try it. If I haven't told you lately, I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and always stay positive, always stay helpful, and always stay kind, you guys. Until next time, bye.